Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. In this channel I used to show you guys a lot of strategy and best indicator to use as a beginner and pro. So inside this video I'm going to show you how to make use of this powerful indicator with a combination of 2 to 3 indicators to get an accurate result for your trading. And this is step index on 1 minute time frames, and also the same indicator works on BOOM 1000, which is also on same index. So I'm going to be showing you how this powerful indicator works. To get this indicator, just inbox me on my Telegram. I will drop my link on the description of this video so you can reach me and get this powerful indicator. And also, believe me, this indicator is not for free. It's not for free, but it is very avoidable. So guys, let me explain how this powerful indicator works. So this indicator, this is on step index 1 minute time frames. You can just scrape up the market in a little bit and you have your daily profit every time. So this is how this indicator works. We can see an histograph here that show the 9 and the histogram graph on the below button here. We can see that this is the green histograph, and we have our yellow histograph also, which we also have our red histograph. So our green histograph is what we are going to be making use here. And if we check this green histograph right here, you are going to be seeing a green line here that show that the trade is about to start a new trend, which we can also confirm at this level. You can see. And also we have another indicator up here which is going to show up a signal for us. We have a 2 indicator signal here, which is the red indicator, and we also have our arrow indicator here. So the two are going to appear together. They are going to appear together and they are going to give us a confirmation. And another confirmation we need to check is the one below here, which is also the 9. Once the 9 break up the histogram, then we look it until we have it match up with our 10 level here. Then we have our trade at this level. So let me show you the right position for us to take our trade. It's going to be at this particular time. You can see the 9 here is joined together with the 10 level. So that is the right time for us to enter the trade. And also you can enter your trade, then you see what is happening now. The market is going on a little downtrend, and that is where you're going to take your own profit. And also we can also see another confirmation here. You can see another confirmation here also. We have our 9 here that is breaking the level on the yellow histograph here, and we can see we can enter our market at this level, and this is supposed to be our level at this particular area. So it's going to be around here. It's going to be around here. You can see that. So we can easily escape up the market on our own convenient time. And also let's check for more. This indicator also works on BOOM 1000 and crash 1000. We see we have another confirmation here, but let's check our down indicator. We have a confirmation. Yes, it's out of our 10 level, and we can easily wait for it to reverse to that same 10 level, and we can easily take up our trade at this particular point. You can see what happened here. The markets respect our indicator a lot. So you can just decide to take up to like 5 daily and you are out of the market. You can see that. So this is also another opportunity for you to take also. We can see, what do we see here? We can see that our market break it up in this level, which is our red 9, and we can see that it's break it at this level, and we open a small profit here. So that's exactly what you are going to be doing if you get this particular indicator. And also have another confirmation at this level also. You see what happened here too. So we have our confirmation here, and we have our entry here. So guys, this powerful indicator also works on BOOM 1000 and crash 1000, but I'm explaining it on step index 1 minute time frames. So guys, if you want to get this powerful indicator, I'm going to teach you on it. I can teach you on it and how to make use of this particular indicator perfectly. And also to get this powerful indicator, as I told you in the beginning, that this is not for free. So You just enter my DM on my Telegram. I will drop